Hello Linux Explorers. Welcome to day 5 of our daily Linux series. Today we're making sure your Linux Mint system stays healthy, secure, and up-to-date. Think of it like a checkup for your computer, except it won't complain when you skip a meal. There are 2 ways to do updates, the graphical way and the terminal way. Let's start with the GUI method. Click the menu, then select Update Manager. You'll see a list of available updates. Currently my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, press Install Updates, enter your password if prompted, and let Linux do its magic. You might see progress bars moving. That's your system getting stronger. Now, for terminal enthusiasts, open your terminal with Ctrl+Alt+T. First, we refresh the package lists with sudo apt update. Enter your password when prompted. This tells Linux which packages have new versions available. Next, we upgrade all installed packages with sudo apt upgrade. You'll see a list of packages to be updated. Press Y and enter to confirm. Sit back and chill. Linux will handle the rest. Finally, we can clean up unnecessary files and old packages with sudo apt autoremove. This keeps your system tidy and frees up disk space. Pro tip: regular updates not only bring new features but also patch security vulnerabilities. Your system stays healthy and fast. That's it for day 5. 2 ways to update, 1 way to keep your Linux Mint running smoothly. In the next video, we'll dive into text editors and writing your first shell scripts, so you can start automating your Linux experience.
Quick reminder, please hit subscribe, ring that bell, and join the daily Linux evolution. Your support is greatly appreciated. Stay curious.